Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to get set up on Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to set up your Airbnb, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first and just simply create an account for your Airbnb. And after that, just simply go to profile and select if you want to set up your account for Airbnb hosting or traveling. If you want to make the account for hosting, you just simply have to switch it to the hosting at first, and if you want to keep it traveling, just simply click to show profile and then click to edit button at the top right. And from this section, add a good profile picture into here, and then first of all you have to enter your initial details into here, such as your education, your work, your location and language, and many more. Then after adding all this, you have to write something funny and punchy about yourself in order to make your profile more attractive and professional. Then after that, you can add the places that you have visited or the places that you want to visit into this section. Then at last, you have to enter your interest into this section. Then after adding your interest, you just simply have to tap into done button and your profile will successfully be set up on Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.